Hey guys, today I want to make a video of this new tractor I just got. Thanks to 1944 John Deere L, who brought it to my attention. It was on Craigslist, and it turns out the guy lived right down the street from me. So called him up and he wanted $50 for it, and he delivered it last night. So this is pretty good, pretty darn cool. This is model 4212, serial 53059. It's got a Kohler engine on it, which I've never worked on one of those before, so this will be kind of interesting. 10 horsepower. It's got a generator. The body's in kind of rough shape. It's like just missing some stuff here. The guy said it's positive ground. Looks like it's been sitting out for a while. Here's a battery cable connector. This is just floating around in here. I'm not sure where that goes. And that is that. Seat's in nice shape. Back tires are in pretty good shape. This tire is flat and this tire is shredded. So, and oh yeah, and the steering wheel is missing. It's broken. How the heck did that guy do this before? There's a way to lift this seat up. There we go. There's the rest of the steering wheel. There's some more battery cables and stuff in there. Wow. Bunch of crap in there. Yeah, but it needs quite a bit of work. But I'm sure I can get the engine running. I'll open it up again. It's got an old-fashioned coil on it. The oil is black, but it's full, so that's good. It's also got a power drive PTO clutch thing, and this thing is loose. It's rubbing against this belt here. Not quite sure how that mounts back up, but yeah. Probably start working on this pretty soon. I want to see if I can at least get the engine going. Positive ground, so I'm guessing this is the positive, even though this is red. So I don't know. Probably somebody that knows more about these types of tractors can tell me. But anyway, I just thought I would make a video of that. Not bad for $50, that's for sure. So, see you guys later.